Hi, my name is Yiyang Wang. I am at Yoyoplay right now, and I am a sponsor member of Team Yoyo Friends. And here today we're gonna unbox the new Yoyo Friends Yoyo. It's called the Magpie. So it comes in a really nice box, and also you can see the marking here. It's gonna be a acid wash one. So we're gonna open the box, and then you can see it's really heavily protected by very hard cardboard. And you can see the Magpie. It has a logo here. It doesn't have the logo on the other side. And yeah, and then it comes with a center track bearing, and it's got nice colors. This one is a monometal yo-yo, and it's also using the 7068 aluminum, which is really tough, really durable, and it's better subjectively than the 7075 and the normal 6061 aluminum. Alright, also in the box, you'll see a nice package here. You have green strings. It gives you green strings, and if you look closely here, it comes with 2 axles. All of our Magpies comes with two extra axles, so in case if you strip any, you can replace them. So here's the unboxing of the Yoyo Friends Magpie. So now here is the performance review of the Magpie. When we build this yo-yo, our first goal is to, be really good at competitive play and be also really good for normal throwers, and also just like an all-out, all-rounder, premium all-rounder. So basically, the design as you can see is very, very wide and is very, very catchable. So you can do all your favorite tricks easier because of the huge catch zone here. And also this yo-yo is very, very well distributed. That is why we name it Magpie, because it is one of the smartest animals that there is. So yeah, so this yo-yo actually combines floatiness, speed, and competition play and maneuverability all into one. So I'm going to show you some tricks of the speed of this yo-yo, and also how easy you can do the most modern trick sets on this yo-yo. Okay, I'm just going to start.
Yeah.
So every single Yoyo Friend yo-yo are bent to perfection, so it comes out very, very smooth. And also, since there's a huge catch zone here, you can do really, really long finger grinds. Here's a demonstration. The yo-yo would just sit here like you're touching glass. Because,
Good.
Right. So this Magpie is a little bit concave in the middle. It is not the best for finger spin, but you can pull out some really cool finger spin tricks on it. Here's the demonstration. All right. Since this yo-yo is really, really powerful and really, really wide, it makes it super duper easy to do horizontal plays. So you can get this Yoyo Friends Magpie from Yoyoplay, as you can see here. And there will be also a link in the description below for it to take you directly to the site. That is the full review of the Magpie. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.